major industries. The dairy belt extends from the Great Lakes to the Atlantic coast in the east, and dairy farming and extreme agriculture both promote setting up of food processing industries in prairies. Large mineral deposits are also found there, particularly coal and iron ore, and a good network of road, railways, and canals in this region have made it the most industrialized region in the world. So prairies now is one of the most industrialized areas in the world.
Hello, sir.
So prairies is being the most industrialized region of the world because of the presence of USA and Canada in this region. So now there is a little PowerPoint presentation, although it is not up to the mark, but still. So this is the PowerPoint, a small presentation I made, although not finished yet, but still not happened. Now the temperate grasslands or the prairies. As we have read that about quarter of the world grassland, and every continent has a grassland except Arctic and the Antarctic. In summer it is really hot, in the winter it is cold, as we have read before. 20 degree up to centigrade is the summer and minus 20 degrees centigrade in winter, especially in Winnipeg, Canada. And the grasslands are covered with the grasses, herbs, and flowers, mostly about 200 or 300 meters high. Meters high. The grasslands here separate are North America prairies, South America pampas, Europe steppes, and South American west belt, which we will read in the coming topic about the belts. So we are discussing about North American and the South American temperate climate, grasslands, prairies, and belts. So in North America it is prairies, and South Africa it is wet. Now these are the animals or the picture of the grasslands, temperate grasslands found in Canada and USA. You will find everywhere grassland, grassy grass, very small trees are there here, little bit, but all grass. Nothing is, no trees are visible here, and these are the areas of grassland. Now the plants of the temperate grassland. 50% of the grasslands are covered by the grass, and rest shortened word of euphorbia or forbs. These are the some species of grass and forbs. Gray-headed corn, leaf-bearing, this is not for you. Tree can't grow because of the lack of moisture, but flowers can grow because of fast decay of humus, which let out nutrition from them. These are the pictures of the flowers, grey-headed cornflower and white bergamot, which are found in this grasslands. Now animals, type of animal, mammal, birds and insects. Female coatis, bird, guard, eagle, prairie dogs, where they are found, where they are living here, it is written here only. Not for you only, you have to remember that female coatis, bald eagle, prairie dogs are found here. Types of mammal, cheetah, coatis, this duck, Iranian jerboa, moth, these are some of the animals found here. Elephant. This is the high class. Now this is elephant, this is sweet fox found here. The birds and insects, quail, omnivorous are also there, grasshopper, crickets, etc. etc. These are the bird and insects found in the temperate grassland, bumblebee, bald eagle. Avoiding factors, climate of in the winter goes below 18 degree or minus 20 degree sometimes, while summer it can reach up to 32 degree. Rain in the temperate grassland don't come often as tall grass species, that is why grasses are short. Human activity, people farming, animals also hunting also there. And this is the map of the grassland found in Africa, Europe, Asia, South America, and North America, and Australia. You have read in fifth class, I think so. Down and everything. Down, where, past, prairies, etc., etc. So these are some of things which is still not complete. Will complete in few months. And why are you all sleeping?
Me awake.
No, yeah, I think all are
But
sleeping.
even I can listen you.
Close your all of you have closed your mics and sleeping. I am getting this impression that all of you are sleeping today. You are
No,
all,
sir, we are not.
you are all in deep sleep. That's why you have closed your mics and sleeping. And video also.
Open mic so not sleep.
And video also.
So because you record.
So the wells. Again come to the share screen. This one. Wow, very good. Well done. पहला चीज करनी पड़ती है पहले जाके disable enable.
The annotate option is on.
First of all, I have to disable everything, then only start. Okay, no problem. We'll see afterwards. Why to waste time? The BELDS, the wells. Shafiq or Rahman, anything you can tell about the wells?
Hello?
Anything about the wells you know?
So the wells is actually the African grassland. You can find a lot of species of animals in the wells. And there are a lot of species of elephants. For example, the African elephant, the largest land mammal. You can find cheetahs, leopards, lions, etc. And you can find hyenas too. The top predators on the food chain in the wells are usually the lions and the eagles. But the cheetahs don't come at the top of the food chain as they can be hunted down by lions. And I can say that hyenas are the troublemakers of the wells, as whenever a lion or another predator hunts for food, they form a pack and they snatch the food from the lions or the cheetah. Thank you. Hello?
Very good.
Yeah.
Riyan Aslam, you can explain? Well,
Sir, I forgot to say one thing. Sir, if there's a group of lions and a pack of hyenas is trying to take snatch the hunt, if there is a single male lion in the whole group of the lions, the hyenas won't usually approach to take the food from them.
very good.
As the male lion will eat them.
More you want to tell? Who gave the name well?
Sir, Itihas wants to come in.
Yeah. Who gave the name well? And when? Who
Sir, the
gave the
name was
name?
given by the Dutch settlers before South Africa was
And
colonized by the British.
very good. The world name was given by the Dutch settlers before South Africa was colonized by the British, that is taken by the British. Now the temperate grassland of South Africa are called the velds. Not South Africa are called the velds. These are the rolling plateaus with varying heights ranging from 600 meters to 1111 meters. On one side, Drakensberg mountain is there on the east, and to the west lies the Kalahari Desert. On the northeastern part, high velds are located that attain the height of more than 1600 meters in some places. If you look at the map of the Africa, you will find that it is countries which are covered by the grassland are Kimberley, Johannesburg, and Pretoria. These are the three states which are covered by the velds. The tributaries of River Orange and Limpopo drain the region. The climate, if you say that mild climate due to the influence of the Indian Ocean, because near the Indian Ocean, that's why climate is very mild, neither too hot, neither too cold. Winters are cold and dry. Temperature varies between 5 degrees centigrade to 10 degrees centigrade, and in July is the coldest month.
The name Weld was given by Dutch settlers,
Yeah, that's it.
not the British.
By the Dutch
What
settlers
did I say?
before South Africa was colonized by the British. When British took over the South Africa, and before that, it was given the name Weld by the Dutch settlers. The summers are short and warm, and Johannesburg records about 20-degree temperature in the summer. The Weld receives rainfall mainly in the summer months from November to February, and this is because of the warm ocean current that wash the shores of the Weld. If the rainfall is scanty in the winter months from June to August, drought may occur. Who will tell about the flora and fauna? Those who are sleeping, one of them come up and tell what is which flora and fauna is found in bed.
So, what is the meaning of sparse? The vegetation cover is
Ours
sparse.
means really less.
What?
Sparse vegetation, right?
Who will tell about the vegetation, flora and fauna?
Sir of
Sir,
the bed,
in
right?
Yeah,
yes, sir, in wild red grasses
Sir,
grow in bush wilds.
where it is.
And
sir, there are many acacia trees and red grass grows everywhere. And the
animal
animals are
rolla.
lions, leopards, cheetahs, and kudu.
Sandwich?
Yeah,
Sorry.
kudu sandwich.
The Shahid is not there.
Sir is saying that you have locked the meeting, that's why you couldn't come.
Ah, that I have done.
Sir, don't allow him. He came late.
Wait, I will allow him to come inside.
Sir, it's 25 minutes late.
Yes, sir.
So I will be at
Sir,
the
don't allow him.
So we're telling them about flora and fauna. Where there quickly.
Sir, I told in high wells,
Sir, even I told.
acacia and marula are seen to be grown,
Very
and the
good.
animals in wells are lions, leopards, cheetah, and kudu.
Very good.
Sandwich.
Very good. Kudu sandwich.
And there are some restaurants also.
Sometimes Albag will also come.
Albek is first, second is kudu.
Now people, the persons who are living there, what is their occupation, what they are doing.
There
Wells
are
are known
people
for
there cattle rearing and mining.
and mining.
Yes, sir.
These are the
Cattle
two most important occupation in the South Africa.
belts.
Because the soil is not very fertile in the wells, and due to the presence of discontinuous grasses exposing the barren surface, that's why very little crops are grown. However, wherever the land is fertile, crops are grown. Main crops are maize, wheat, barley, oats, and potato. And Shafiq is looking
Cash
like a
crops.
and Shafiq is looking like a potato.
So
Cash
what is the
crops
meaning of
like
cash crop?
tobacco, cotton, cotton and sugarcane
Sir, what is tobacco used for?
are for cigarettes.
And
You know cigarette?
no, I know the cigarette thing,
For
but
BD,
there is a
for
other.
BD,
Tobacco is
For
like
eating.
only for cancer stuff and stuff.
for Naswar, one thing which people smell in their nose, they smell it.
And for cancer.
Sir, they feed their cattle through their these, right? I mean, like
So
the
what is the
grasses
meaning
they
of
grow.
cash
Yeah,
crop?
in the
So
grass,
it's cash crop.
in the grassland, where
The
whatever
crops
remain
which
after the crop,
earn a lot of money.
whatever the waste
Maybe
material remain after the cash crop, after the crop, they use that for the cattle rearing, for as a fodder for the cattle. So sheep
Okay, sir.
rearing is the most important occupation of the people. And here sheep is bred only for the cotton or for the wool. And that's why lot of wool industry you will find in South Africa or in the Wales. Merino sheep, which is very, very popular species, and their wool is very warm and very costly, is reared here in Wales. Dairy farming is another important occupation. Cattle are mostly reared in the warmer and the wetter region, and the dairy products like butter, cheese are produced both for the domestic supply as well as for export. And you know the South African cheese is very, 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 very in demand. Now they also have rich resources of minerals, especially gold and diamond. Iron industry is also there, where coal and iron are present, but mostly you will find gold and diamond, which is the major occupation of the people of South Africa or the Wales. Johannesburg is also known as the gold capital of the world. Kimberley mine is famous for diamond in the world. And due to this diamond and gold found in the South Africa, it led to the establishment of trade ties with British, and as a result, British took over South Africa as its colony. And wherever this gold and diamond mines are there, you would find the well-developed transport network there, because they have to carry this gold and diamond to the industry to make it
True.
to,
Sir, we can hear you. Stop.
to take out the rocks, to take out this gold and diamond from the rocks. So they are taken to the factory where they are separated from the rocks.
sir, the Kimberley mine is about 214 meters deep.
Sir, Itya is asking to let him.
Very deep. Who is
I
asking?
am in. I am in.
Who
Sir,
is
I am
asking?
in.
And it was mined to
Itihas,
about
when you send me the
1,090
message that
meters.
tells her to let me in, I said, sir, okay?
Okay, okay.
I did not see your message.
So
Either you are
Sahitya's
watching
came.
the phone only.
Yes, sir, I am here.
Sahitya's came. Very good.
What?
So
As
now
soon
why
as
are
it
you sending
messaged, you saw it, right?
now why are you sending message
Yeah.
now?
Then you were watching your phone, right?
No,
You
sir.
were not
I
No,
sent
he
the
sent
message
in the
before.
Zoom.
Still, you are not concentrating in class.
So this is all about that wild and prairies. Oh no, chapter finished very quickly. Now the one boy out of you have any one of you boys.
Sir, what?
Open your camera and explain prairies.
Prairies.
Anyone boy. Anyone.
1 minute. Okay, sir, can I?
Yeah, start. Who is that? Press the name first. Ashita Jadhav. Yes, start.
Prairies. Prairies are found in North America, and they are and it's a hilly land It has very tall grasses up to 2 meters high, and there are so many grasses, so it's called sea of grass.
Very good.
And it's found in USA, Canada, and yeah, it's found in USA and Canada. That's it.
Only this.
Yes.
What about the people and what about the climate? What about the flora and fauna?
Okay, I should explain the whole thing.
Yeah, all.
Okay.
Sir,
And
that
the
is
temperature there is about 20 degrees Celsius to minus 20 degrees Celsius. And in Canada, it's covered with snow during winters. And in prairies, there are bisons or African buffaloes, and they are looked after by cowboys who look after all the animals like horses and all. And the soil there is very fertile, so the people are very hardworking and they grow crops, and they have machines such as tractors and combines, which ease their work.
Very good.
And there are so many minerals also.
But you missed one thing. The granaries of the world. You known as the granary of the world. Important one.
Okay.
Due to
And
the heat.
because of this farming, it is called as the greenery of world because it's a large wheat producer.
Yeah, very good. You supply the wheat production. In India, they can ask you this question many times. When you reach India, it will not be. It will be done afterwards. So you should be ready to tell them that this is the thing. Very good. Anyone else? Sleeping well? Anyone else? Adil Ahmed will do this.
Sir, give me a minute. I'll just get prepared.
So what, like the prairies or the wells?
There is.
Okay, sir. Then the prairies are grasslands of found in North America, and it's flat and gently sloping. And prairies are treeless, but some places near low-lying plains, flanking river valleys, woodlands can be found. In prairies, there are tall grasses up to 2 meters high, and grass dominates the landscape. And it's all actually called sea of grass. The prairie word is also originated from the Latin word prata, which means meadow.
Very good.
And then the prairies are bound by Rocky Mountains to the west and the Great Lakes in the east.
Very good.
Prairies cover parts of United States of America and parts of Canada. The climate in prairies is in the middle of the continent, so the climate is continental type with extreme temperatures. The summers are warm and the summers are warm and is 20 degrees Celsius, while in winters minus 20 degrees has been recorded in Winnipeg in Canada. In winters, a thick blanket of snow covers this region, especially in Canada. The annual rainfall in prairies are moderate and is ideal for the growth of grass. And due to the absence of north and south barrier, a wind chinook blows here. Flora and fauna. In prairies are practically treeless, where water is available. Trees such as willows, alders, and poplars grow. Places in prairies that receive rainfall of over 50 centimeters are suitable for farming as the soil is fertile then. The major crop of these area are called are maize. Other crops including potatoes, soybean, cotton, and alfalfa is also grown there. These areas are suitable for cattle rearing, and large cattle farms called ranches are looked after by cowboys. Bison is an African American buffalo and is a very important animal of this region. And this bison buffalo almost got extinct due to the indiscriminate hunting, and now this animal is now protected species. So finish.
Sir, can I?
Yeah,
Okay, sir. The prairies are the grasslands of North America.
yeah,
They are the temperate grasslands.
yeah.
For the most part of the prairies, they are treeless. They they extend from the Rocky Mountains in the west of the Great Lakes and the west of the Great Lakes. The prairies cover most of the area in the USA, Canada, and other parts of other countries. The grasslands of prairies is a home to American Indians, also called as Red Indians. These prairies are huge or are well drained and suitable for land large scale mechanism farming. And in these places, chinkuk is a hot wind that blows in the winter, therefore raises the temperature in these places. In these places, there are major occupation. There are only two major occupations, which is uh, cattle rearing or farming.
Dairy
And
farming is
these places are the grazing grounds for so many animals such as bisons. And these cattle live in farms called as ranches. And wheat farming is the main agricultural activity in these prairie lands. And the prairies are known as granaries of the world because they produce so much wheat.
surplus production of it is there.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Dairy farming is another occupation, major industry, both from the Great Lake to the Atlantic Ocean in the east. And due to dairy farming, agriculture, most of the food processing industries are being set up here. Besides that, large mineral deposits are also found here of coal and iron. As a result, good network of road, railways, and canals in this region made it most industrialized region in the world. Now, anyone weld, anyone can do the weld.
One second.
Yes, I will tell about the weld.
Sir,
Sir,
weld.
the veld is the grassland of South Africa.
Very
Sir,
good.
this is the area for prairies, right?
Yeah.
United States, Canada thing.
Fields and
Yeah.
grass.
The world name was given by the Dutch settlers before the South Africa was controlled by the British, and in July, uh, the coldest months, the temperature is between 5 degrees to 10 degrees, and like in Wales there are like a lot of grasses like red grass and mainly acacia and marola. Like we can see mostly these types of trees are growing in this area, and the animals in this area are um, lions, leopards, cheetahs, and kudus.
Sir, I had a question from the exam.
Yeah.
Sir, Prashasti tells us how rulers wanted to depict themselves as what?
Valiant rulers.
Valiant,
Valiant and victorious.
valiant and victorious.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Very good. So this was about the world. Don't forget cattle rearing as well as mining also. Sheep rearing is the most important occupation of the people. Plus they are doing industries also. Dairy farming is the next important occupation. If the question comes, which is the most important occupation of the people of world, what will be the answer you will give?
Can you repeat?
Sir,
the question?
mining
Not
and
understand.
rearing.
Sheep rearing is the most important occupation of the people
Sir,
of world.
less than
After that, dairy farming. If the question is are two important occupation of the people of world, then you will say sheep rearing and dairy farming. Otherwise, you will say if it is what is the most important occupation of the people, you will say sheep rearing. Today worksheet will be coming for you.